Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video I will show you how to put a Dodge Avenger into neutral using an easy method. This is a super helpful trick to know, especially if your car won't start or you need to move it for towing. We'll go through the steps together, making sure you understand each part. First things first, always prioritize safety. Make sure your parking brake is firmly engaged before we begin to prevent any unexpected movement. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to make sure your Dodge Avenger's engine is completely off. Next, you'll need to access the shift lever override. This is usually found by removing the rubber liner from the front cup holder in your center console. Once that liner is out, look down into the cup holder. You should see a small slot or a distinct pink tab. This is our access point for the manual release. Now that you've located the override slot, grab a small, flathead tool, like a screwdriver or even a sturdy key. Insert this tool into the slot and press the override lever firmly forward. You'll need to keep this lever held down. At the same time, use your foot to press and hold the brake pedal with firm pressure. These two actions must be performed simultaneously for the override to work correctly. With the override lever pressed and the brake pedal held down, you can now move the gear shifter. Carefully shift it from park into the neutral position. Once your Dodge Avenger is in neutral, you can release the override tool and take your foot off the brake pedal. Your vehicle is now in neutral and can be moved. Don't forget to put the cup holder liner back in place when you're done. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.